Welcome back, Bears.
I'm Ren.
Summer.
I'm Jay.
Robin.
DJ.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Vladimir.
I'm Haley. I'm Lucas. I'm Greene.
I'm Tunin. I'm Gabriel.
I'm Henry.
I'm B.
I'm Diego.
I'm Leonard.
I'm James.
I'm Marquis.
I'm Zachary.
I'm Brandon Vickor.
I'm Lincoln.
I'm Kyrie.
I'm Uriah.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Annalise.
Reporting from the BTV studio.
Starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'm on your ship. See how I feel every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
Welcome back, Bears. I'm TJ.
And I'm Henry, reporting for the BTV studio.
Today is Thursday, March 31st, and today is World Backup Day. Remind us to protect our precious digital documents as we become more reliant on technology.
But first, let's take a quick look on today in history. On March 31st, 1991, after 36 years in existence, the Warsaw Pact, the military alliance between the Soviet Union and its Eastern European satellites, came to an end. Yet another sign the Soviet Union was losing control over its former allies.
Now for more recent news, here's a huge shout out to our own AVID teacher, Felipe Lopez, for earning NISD Teacher of the Year's honors last night at NISD Educators of the Year ceremony. Congrats, Mr. Lopez.
Every single grade level entails how to enrich each grade level with college information, GPA information, how 1 year connects to the next, how to advance your time in college while at Brennan. So looking at course cards here at Brennan, looking at your college degree plans, your GPA, your freshman year. Your freshman year is kind of your transition year, so I definitely guide you in and then kind of grow you from that point. I can, greatly express the gratitude that I feel getting this award, because we have a lot of great teachers within this campus that I know do a lot more than I do. And this recognition is also celebrating their efforts in their classroom, and I share this with them. And I'm humbly grateful for the experience and the recognition of how, out of all, I was chosen as this year's Teacher of the Year.
Our Lady Bears soccer team, the area champs, won their second round playoff matchup against the Los Fresno Lady Falcons Tuesday night with a 4-2 win. Our Lady Bears face the Annenberg Valley Ladies Soccer Cats tomorrow at the Kansas Athletic Complex in Corpus Christi at 7 p.m. BFND, Lady Bears.
Congrats, Go Bulls, our district champion golfer of the year. Besides the individual district title, Cole also qualified for the regional tournament in McAllen beginning April 18th.
Congrats to our Golden Stars varsity dance team for earning the title of national champions at the Marching Auxiliaries National Champ competition this past weekend awards, including first place in Officer Jazz, Officer Contemporary, and Small Officer Line plus second, and Officer Lyrical.
Team awards include first place in Jazz, Novelty, Lyrical, Open, and Hip Hop. They are grand champions in the small team category and earned national champion jackets. BFND ladies.
Let's also congratulate our Brennan Starlettes drill team for also earning national champion at the MA National Competition this past weekend. The awards include first place in Team Jazz, Novelty, and Officer Commentary, plus second place in Team Commentary, and a third place in Team Palm. Congrats, ladies!
Also, this past weekend, sophomore Miya Greene and junior Leam Ghost competed for single state champion in the Grand Prairie. Miya and Liam both advanced to the bracket finals, but ultimately lost to the eventually number 2 bowlers. Miya finished the year ranked 11 in the state, and Liam ranked 16 in the state. Way to Bull Bears.
Now on to softball news. Our Lady Bears defeated the Warren Lady Warriors 7-2 on Tuesday. Isabella Hune and Brianna Ramirez led the Lady Bears by each scoring twice. Gabriela Banda and Darren Moreno and Natalie Gonzalez each scored once. BFND, ladies.
Ariana Martinez, the winning pitcher, threw 4 strikeouts. Get on a chair, Lady Bears, as they face the Stephen Lady Falcons next Tuesday at 7 p.m. at Northside Field 1. BFND, ladies.
You're out. And also on Tuesday, our Bears baseball team lost 5-3 against the Marshall Rams. Tomorrow, our Bears take on the Harlan Hawks at 4:45 at Northside Field 1. BFND, Bears.
Bears, Next week, STAAR begins testing for English 1 EOC, which is on Tuesday, April 5th, and for English 2 EOC, it's Thursday, April 7th. For those taking the English 2 EOC exam, you need to make sure to take the exam because no makeup is available until school next year. Be sure to be on time. Testing begins right after the bell.
Finally, let's wish our Bears and Lady Bears track teams luck at Northside Meet number 4. BTV Bears.
This is all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube for searching for BTV Bears.
If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nsd.net.
I'm TJ, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears, and keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning.
And I'm Henry. Remember to stay engaged in your learning and continue to do well in this final grading period.
This is a BTV production.